Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please take some seconds and hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't done so, and thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can use turmeric to get rid of acute dark spots. Yes, turmeric is different from curry. Some people mistake this to be curry, but this is turmeric. But it looks like curry, but it's not curry. So, and it's also used in cooking. This right here contains a substance called curcumin, which helps in reducing the melanin production. And while reducing that melanin production, it gives you an even tone. It lightens your skin. So what it does is that it fades away dark spots. It reduces hyperpigmentations and all that. So this is good when it comes to reducing dark spots, right? But in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys two powerful natural ingredients you can mix with it to hasten the effect of this turmeric when you apply it on your skin. I'll be sharing with you guys two fruits you can add to this substance to help lighten dark spots. Maybe you have been trying it with other things, but please do try this method. This method might really work for you. And another thing you have to know is that I'm not going to sit here and promise you that if you try it within 3 days, you will see changes. No. Just try it consistently for 1 month, then you will see changes. Yes, this is natural substance, so you don't expect it to act fast. It will act, but the action will come gradually. It's not going to act fast, no. But with consistency, you will begin to see a great change within 1 month. So I'll be sharing with you guys natural fruits you can use to boost the effect of this turmeric when applying it on your skin. That's what we are going to be doing today. So if this video is what you would like to watch till the end, you might consider getting yourself a popcorn, granite, or tea, anything to make yourself comfortable so you don't get to be distracted, okay? So without much talk, let's get right into it. So to prepare this treatment, all you need is to get a clean plate. In that plate, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric helps to treat acne, lightens hyperpigmentation, reduces dark circle, and prevents premature aging. So after that, you go ahead and squeeze in some amount of orange juice into it because orange juice helps to prevent acne. The presence of citric acid in orange helps to dry out acne and control oil. Orange juice helps to control aging skin and brightens up the skin and leaves it feeling fresh. That's the work of orange juice when you apply it on your skin, okay? So the next thing you have to do is to get a clean plate. In another plate, go ahead and grate your tomato. Get a tomato, grate it. If you don't want to grate, you can go ahead and blend. We'll be using tomato because tomato is also beneficial to the skin. Tomato helps to reduce excessive oil on the face, prevent acne and tighten pores. It also helps to brighten the skin. So that's why I say that this treatment will help to brighten your dark spots. This treatment will help to fade away dark spots on your skin. So after grating it, you go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of the grated tomato juice into the mixture. Then you proceed with lemon juice. Yes, lemon juice is also good when it comes to treating acne. It's very, very important because lemon juice helps to prevent blemishes and blackheads. It also helps to fight acne and wrinkles and stop the early signs of aging. So after adding it, you go ahead and mix it very well. Now I will show you how you can use this treatment to treat dark spot, acne, hyperpigmentations, okay? So right here, I have the mixture with me. We are done mixing it. I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can use this to treat dark spots, okay? First, you have to make sure that your face is washed. After washing your face, you get a cotton wool. Get a cotton wool or brush or anything you have. You can even use your bare hand, but bear in mind that turmeric But bear in mind that turmeric can stain your hand if you use your hand, but the stain doesn't stay permanently. It's something that can go, maybe when you wash your hand 2 or 3 times, it will go away, okay? So after washing your face, you dip the mixture, you dip the cotton wool into the mixture, then apply it on your face. Apply it on your face. After applying it on your face, then you have to allow it to sit on your face for 30 minutes or 45 minutes so that it will dry up. Once it dries up, you can then go ahead and wash your face with lukewarm water. Then after that, you apply your face cream or your face moisturizer and you're good to go. Okay, so this is how you can use this treatment to get rid of dark spots. Okay guys, so please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. For the remaining one, you can store it in the fridge for a day, and after a day you discard it and prepare another one. These are natural ingredients, so you can always prepare them, right? But when preparing them, prepare them in small quantities so that even if you don't finish it, you can discard it. When you want to use it again, you prepare another one. It's not difficult to make, right? But if you don't want to discard the remaining one, you can put it in the fridge, use it the next day, okay? So I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.